On May 4th, millions of fans around the world celebrate Star Wars Day, a cultural phenomenon that has shaped generations and redefined how we imagine the future. But beyond lightsabers and starships, Star Wars has always been about something more profound, a vision of technology that feels alive, intuitive, and seamlessly integrated into everyday life. For decades, these ideas existed only on cinema screens. Today, they are becoming reality. What once required massive film budgets and special effects is now being engineered in laboratories, tested in real-world environments, and deployed at scale. This is the story of 5 Star Wars technologies that no longer belong to fiction. Android robots, from companions to co-workers. When audiences first met C-3PO and R2-D2, they were more than machines. They were personalities, capable of communication, emotion, and independent action. Modern robotics is rapidly moving in that direction. Humanoid robots are no longer confined to research labs. They are entering factories, logistics centers, and even public spaces. Companies like Tesla are developing Optimus, a general-purpose humanoid robot designed to handle repetitive and physically demanding tasks. Xiaomi's Cyber One demonstrates emotional recognition, using sensors and AI to interpret human gestures and expressions. Boston Dynamics has taken mobility to another level with Atlas, a robot capable of dynamic balance, parkour-like movements, and real-time adaptation to complex terrain. In 2024, UB Tech began mass production of the Walker S1, a humanoid robot already working on automotive assembly lines. It can carry loads, inspect products, and perform precision tasks with consistency beyond human capability. Meanwhile, LG introduced Celloid, a service-oriented humanoid with expressive features and articulated hands designed for interaction. And startups like Sharpa are pushing reaction times to extremes. Their humanoid can respond in just 0.02 seconds, faster than most human reflexes. Speed records are also being broken. The Bolt humanoid robot can reach speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour, approaching the limits of human sprinting. The dream of intelligent robotic assistance is no longer hypothetical. It is already unfolding. Lightsabers, the reality of high-energy blades. The lightsaber is perhaps the most iconic weapon in science fiction. Elegant, powerful, and futuristic. It has captured imaginations for decades. While a true plasma blade remains a challenge, modern science has taken significant steps towards similar technologies. In 2023, an independent engineer developed a handheld laser system powerful enough to melt metal. This device operates autonomously, without requiring a direct power connection. Although it lacks the iconic glow and retractable blade of a lightsaber, its destructive capability demonstrates how far laser technology has advanced. High-energy directed systems are now researched for defense and aerospace purposes. Holograms, communication beyond screens. In the Star Wars universe, holograms are a fundamental part of communication. Today, this concept is no longer theoretical. Three-dimensional projections allow characters to interact across vast distances as if they were physically present. Telecommunications companies have successfully demonstrated holographic calls using high-speed 5G networks. Participants can see life-size projections of each other in real time. Google's Project Starline takes this even further. It creates hyper-realistic 3D conversations that eliminate the flatness of traditional video calls. In medicine, holography is transforming diagnostics and surgery. Doctors can analyze 3D models of organs and even guide operations remotely. Mixed reality devices like Microsoft HoloLens allow specialists to collaborate across continents, bringing expertise to the most remote locations. Bionic limbs, restoring and enhancing human ability. One of the most memorable moments in Star Wars is Luke Skywalker receiving a fully functional artificial hand. At the time, it felt like distant fantasy. Today, modern bionic prosthetics can be controlled directly by neural signals from the brain. Electrodes interpret muscle activity and convert it into precise movement. Some advanced systems even provide sensory feedback, allowing users to feel objects again. These technologies are restoring and even enhancing abilities. Devices inspired by life support systems, similar to those used by Darth Vader, also exist today. Moisture evaporators, water from air. On the desert planet Tatooine, survival depends on extracting water from the atmosphere. This idea is no longer fiction. Modern atmospheric water generators, like WaterGen, draw in air, cool it rapidly, and condense moisture into drinking water. These devices are being used in schools and disaster zones. Advanced research is also exploring materials capable of extracting water even in extremely low humidity environments. Such systems could play a critical role in addressing global water shortages. Star Wars did not just imagine the future, it inspired it. Engineers, scientists, and innovators decided to build what they saw. Today, we are living in the early stages of that vision. The gap between science fiction and reality is shrinking faster than ever. The question is no longer whether these technologies will exist, but how far they will go. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into future technology, innovation, and the science shaping tomorrow.